Hey friends! Welcome back to your channel, MSKTV. Let us start our new question. Can you answer correctly this? 5 minus 2 times? Inside parentheses, 5 minus 2? Choose the answer that fits. Is it 9, minus 1, or 5? Take a moment to think, then answer. You have 3 seconds. Awesome! Some students think the answer is 9 because they calculate 5 minus 2 equals 3, and inside the parentheses, 5 minus 2 also equals 3. Then, they multiply 3 by 3 and conclude that the result is 9. However, this way of calculating is not correct, so avoid using this method. In math, we must follow the correct order of operations, so always respect PEMDAS. That means we always start by calculating what is inside the parentheses. So, 5 minus 2 equals 3. Now, we look at what comes next, respecting the PEMDAS rule. There is a multiplication on the left of the 3, so we need to find the product of 2 times 3. As you can see, 2 times 3 equals 6. Finally, we continue our calculation from left to right. We now have 5 minus 6, which equals minus 1. So, the correct answer to our question, 5 minus 2 times, inside parentheses, 5 minus 2, is minus 1. Dear learners, keep practicing and get ready for more fun with MSKTV Learning. Thank you for subscribing and for sharing, so more learners can benefit from these lessons.